How to hide your posts on Instagram without actually deleting them. For that purpose, head over to your Instagram app onto your mobile device. And from there, you're going to head over to your profile. And onto your profile, you're going to select the post that you want to hide without deleting it. This is the post that I want to hide. So I'm going to click on these three dots right here, and I'm going to click on the second option that says archive. Now once I click on archive, what it basically does is it stores that specific post into Instagram's archives, which is its cloud storage, without actually deleting it. You want to know that it's not deleted? So to find that out, you're going to click on the top three buttons onto your profile, and from here you're going to go on to the archive section. I don't know why Instagram is lagging for me as of now, but into the archive section here, you can simply see all of the posts that you've hidden, but you haven't actually deleted them. You can head over and ask it to be shown onto your profile once again without having to delete them. So guys, this is it. A simple, quick, and easy way on how you can hide your posts on Instagram without actually deleting them.